Okay guys, today we're going to scrap this sump pump. You come across these every once in a while. I've got a couple of them here. I've yet to scrap one. If you ever wondered if they're worth scrapping, we're about to find out. See, alright guys, I wasn't quite sure how to get into this thing here, so I just cut it off with the grinder there. I beat on it here for 3 or 4 minutes, couldn't figure it out. So, here we go. There we go, that's how they come off. Alright, I'm going to take this into the vise there and knock the rest of this copper out, and we'll show you what we ended up with. Alright guys, here's our grand total. We had 1.5 pounds of insulated wire for $1.50, 2 pounds of aluminum for $1. These here I get about 10 cents a pound, and that was just 4 pounds, 40 cents there. 2 pounds of copper at $2.60 a pound, and 7.5 pounds of steel for a grand total of $8.45. It took me about 28 minutes, so you can do 2 of these in an hour. The 17 bucks an hour. We had 1 brass screw minus 1 grinding disc. And any comments or questions, guys, please ask. And thanks for watching.